Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. Friends, my name is Ram and I am from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, if you click this video, it really means you want to improve your communication skill. Also, we want a fluent in English. Friends, today's video I want to tell you, if you believe in yourself, then you can do anything and you can achieve your dream. Friends, if your dream may be anything, until you will not believe in yourself, then you cannot achieve your dream. So please watch this video until the end, and I will give you 2 or 3 tips that will follow you. And if you follow that tips, then you can start believe in yourself and you can become a good man. Everything which you want to know, which you want to improve, and anything which is related on your best of mind, then you can do anything if you believe in yourself. So start this video. Friends, you know what? Every small step start from your brain. When you think in your brain, then you start to do something. Friends, every game of life depends on two things. First thing is on your mind, and second thing is on your body. And the first thing is brain. Brain works the 70% of work and body works 30%. When you start to do something in your life, and then you have to take a more and more chance by the brain. Friends, your brain works 70% for your thoughts, and when you start believe on anything, then you can do anything. Friends, if I believe on myself, then I can do everything. If I believe on myself, that's key. I will say to myself, I will jump on the table, then I can jump on the table. If I will say myself, I can ride a bicycle, then also I can ride a bicycle. If I tell myself I can go market, then I will also go market. And if I say to myself I can speak properly in front of my mobile camera, then also I can speak in front of my mobile camera. So friends, you can see now this time I am believing on myself. Just because of that, not it too much people provided me confidence. Friends, you have to know, confidence does not gives anyone, means anyone cannot gives you confidence. Confidence comes from your inner sides. When you start believe in yourself, then confidence come. And how confidence will come? Confidence will come when you practice day by daily in front of your mobile camera. When you start practice in front of your mobile camera day by daily, then you have to know and you have to notice, sometimes you make a mistake and you failed to achieving their goal in a first or second attempt. That's not a bad deal. This is a very good deal. When you start to learn something new, then you make a mistake. It is a common thing, friends. When you make mistake, it really means you have a good chance to achieve your dream. Just because of that, friends, if anyone also thought that if he will try, then he make a mistake, then he back step her foot, it's very bad. When you start something new, learning new, then you have to make a mistake, and learning make a mistake means it's a very good chance. Failure is a like a chance of success. When you fail, it's really means you can become in your life what you want to become in your life. Friends, it's totally depends on your self belief. When you believe on yourself, then you can do anything. Friends, if you believe on yourself, then you can do anything. Just like now this time you can see I am also believing on myself, and now this time I can speak properly. And friends, one thing I also want to speak you, before the 60 days ago I cannot speak English. I could not speak English properly. That time I promised to myself I also, and I will completely change myself. That time I started to make a video for English speaking, and I practice day by daily in front of my mobile camera. Just because of that I have no any friend, I have no any partner, and I have no any English paid classes, so I practice here day by daily in front of my mobile camera for making me proud myself. And friends, if you मीन्स क्या ही बताऊँ कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश बोलना है भाई, तो आपको अपने अंदर का शर्म ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा कि भाई मैं अगर बोलूँगा तो फंस जाऊँगा या ऐसा स्टक करना होना सब भूल जाओ भाई। अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस किया है ना, तो प्रैक्टिस करने से भी कॉन्फिडेंस आता है। कॉन्फिडेंस कब आता है भाई? जब आप खुद में बिलीव करते हो। भाई मैंने अपने आप में बिलीव किया, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। आई कुड नॉट स्पीक प्रॉपरली बिफोर द 60 days ago, बट नाउ दिस टाइम यू कैन सी, नाउ दिस टाइम आई कैन स्पीक प्रॉपरली. Not properly, but I can speak quite good. I can introduce myself in English, and friends, it's give me confidence. And another thing is I learn how to face camera, and now this time you can see I am making a video now in front of my camera. Now this time you can see it's very helpful. So please, you have to make a hard believe on yourself. When you start believe on yourself, then you can do anything and everything. So please start believing on yourself. When you give a chance to your mind, when you say your mind मुझे 1 लाख कमाने का आइडिया बताओ, then your brain gives you tips how you can earn 1 लाख मनी. तभी तो आप सीखा ना भाई, उसने बताया ना आपको. तो वैसे भाई आप अपने आप पे भरोसा करो, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.